All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about JEPI, known as JPMorgan Equity Premium Income ETF, and they're going to be traded on the NYSE ARCA. The company overview here states that JPMorgan Equity Premium Income ETF seeks to deliver monthly distributable income and equity market exposure with less volatility. The portfolio section here says the defensive equity portfolio employs a time-tested, bottom-up fundamental research process with stock selection based on our proprietary risk-adjusted stock rankings. Disciplined options overlay implements written out-of-the-money S&P 500 index call options to generate distributable monthly income. And then over on the right-hand side here, they did show this bar graph on their website to show where their dividend yield was compared to some of the other, there's a U.S. 10-year bond that's sitting at 3.9%. The U.S. high yield is 9%. Whereas the JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF that's at 11.77% at the time that they decided to make this graph. And then their some of their bigger holdings include companies like AbbVie, MasterCard, Coca-Cola, Visa, United Healthcare Group, Progressive Corp, a lot of bigger names. And then some of their sector breakdowns, their bigger ones include consumer staples, financials, healthcare, industrials, IT, and then some of the other ones too in the portfolio are real estate, materials, energy, things like that. So again, it's pretty cool to kind of see what the breakdown is of their holdings, as well as the different sectors that make up that portfolio. All right, for the dividend history here, states that the dividend yield is 11.99%. Again, it's showing different than what was on their website, just because of timing and updates and all of that. Again, this is going to be, in 2022, it looked like it was a monthly dividend yield. And then in 2023, it looks like so far there's been two payouts so far in February and March. Currently, JEPI is trading at $52.13. Their 52-week high is $62.60, and the 52-week low is $49.92. Again, I do like, like the spread that this company has within their portfolio. A lot of different sectors, of big top name companies that make up their portfolio, which is good to see. Again, it's going to be interesting to see. What they do in 2023, if they, still manage, the same companies, or, how the portfolio does with, market trends and things like that. So it's definitely something to keep an eye on, especially with that dividend yield. Is that something that they can keep, above 11%, or is that something where it's going to drop down, in 2023 or in 2024, things like that. So that'll be something to keep an eye on for sure. All right, so my final rating for JEPI would probably be around a 7. I do like that they offer a good yield. Their portfolio seems pretty strong at the moment, as well as their investments are a lot of, diversified sectors, companies, things like that. So that's always good to see. But again, this has been such a new ETF on the market. There hasn't been a ton of historical, data or trends on it. So it's going to be interesting to watch and see, is it going to maintain its price point? Is it going to maintain its dividend? Things like that. So there's a lot of unknowns with this ETF, I would say. But I think it's something to keep an eye on and see how it plays out in 2023. Things like that. But guys, like, comment, subscribe, share the video with a friend, drop a comment down below, and let me know if there's a certain stock or an ETF that you guys want me to do some research on. But without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one.